Boom! Just in time. It's my birthday. It's another frickin' loot crate. The theme this time is dead. No, it's literally a theme. Let's go. It's bought more rectangular one this time. What? For sure. Turn more dirt. One of Stan's critic features is Deadpool and The Walking Dead. I actually saw Deadpool today. Pretty fun movie. You should go see it. But be warned, it's definitely not your average superhero movie. It is very crass. But that's kind of the point. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, no. No fourth wall jokes. I'm bad at those. Who's good? Cute fake Deadpool. Eat blazing doorknobs of death, banana face. A Doco Actual. A Lucre exclusive. Yeah, here we go. Jeez. Huh. Right, you go up there. And we got Loot Crate exclusive The Walking Dead construction sets. That's those figures. A McFarlane Toys. Ooh. Stored up with just via variants. Guess this set have for free. I want to see what I got, so go my up. Now wait. As a joke, sure I will open it on camera. And now I'll wait. Go over there. Have our loop pin. Jeez. Go over there. We have a shirt. We have our shirt. Oh, frickin' A, it says upside down. Tacos? Tacos? Jeez. Nice Marvel shirt. Yeah, AMC's Walking Dead soap on a rope. Daryl's Walker ear necklace. Ooh, neat. That's a neat little thing. There's the interior of the crate. Those are tiny. We love you, brains. We love brains. Oh God. The Grateful Dead. Oh jeez. The super late Deadpool. Ooh. Neat. Alright. Hit that one. It sort of worked. Hey, it does oversee spots at manga. Okay. Deadpool X-Force there in. Okay. Huh. If you actually got the X-Force variant, then please show me. Looks pretty nice. Hmm. Hollywood rival? No thanks. Alright, hang on, I'm gonna go and cut to opening up to that little construction set. Okay, we're back, and that'll open this one good thing. Boy. Hang on a moment. Okay, there we go. Little guy and got long censorship and his crossbow. You give him a guess. I had no idea how to make him hold it. Yeah, I guess that's a thing. Alright. There's a lot, ladies and gentlemen. As always. And this way could have been better, but it's not too bad, I suppose. I mean, sure, it's pretty nice. Anyways, as always, there will be a link in the description. There will be a link to... If you want to subscribe to Luke yourself, there will be a link in the description, and... Well, yeah. I will see you guys next month for March's Crate. Alright, see you guys then.